ARTECHE has more than 25 years of experience in systems, equipment and solutions under the scope of IEC 61850 or traditional standards, with a comprehensive offer that covers all procedures from system engineering and project management, studies, tests and production of control, protection and measuring cabinets all the way up to startup. We have first-class international references around the world, more than 1,000 systems currently in operation, using both our own equipment and third-party equipment in substations of electric power companies or renewable energy projects. For the purpose of responding to various control and protection schemes and strategies, we have facilities focused on production, assembly and testing of control, protection and measuring cabinets designed for automated substations in Spain, Mexico and Brazil. In addition, our team of technical specialists, whose offices are also located in Chile and Indonesia to ensure extensive international service provision, offers the necessary support throughout the entire process, from preliminary studies to consultancy during the first stages of substation operation around the globe. Our experience allows us to respond to the particular needs of each project. Expeditious and professional support throughout the entire life cycle of our systems and equipment. This is ARTECHE's commitment to its customers.